All right. Hey, how's it going out there? Welcome to Moots KL. Sorry it's taking me so long to get out the next video. I think it's been a little over a month since the last video I put out, and I know some of you out there are probably anxious to see the DIY project, the shelving project in the back. It's not what we're going to talk about today, but that is coming very soon, I promise. I'm as anxious as you are to get that done. Just haven't really had a lot of time. Today, though, we're going to talk about these new lights I've got on here. So I've got some 7-inch spotlights here, LED spotlights that I've installed. And I got these from a company called OEDRO. OEDRO 4x4 off-road. So they sent me these lights to check out and try them out and see what I think. Now, right now I've got them put up here. I replaced my pod lights, my 4-inch pod lights with them, just to really try them out, give them a shot and see if I like them up there. I'm waiting on my hood mount from Mohawk, from Mohawk Off-Road Fab. So once I get that, I'll definitely be putting 2 of these lights down here. Now I wanted to try them up here because I've always been interested in the round lights. I always liked the round lights, so I thought I'd try them up here. But if I felt like they were too big, I can just move them down there when I get the mount. If I really like them up here, then I can get another set and slap another set down there. So when they sent me these lights, they also sent me a discount code for my viewers. So these lights are $59 on Amazon, but with the coupon code, you can get them for $50. It's about $9 off. With that said, I will put the link in the description below to these lights, as well as the coupon code. You can check them out. Hey, look, I don't make anything off of it, so I'm not trying to push this for you to buy them. I just want you to see what I've got and offer the coupon code. So in this video, we're going to get into the unboxing, just a quick run through of what's in the box, what you're getting, what they look like, all that good stuff, and then we'll slap them on. I'll say for my personal feelings on them so far, I'll say they feel solid, feel pretty well made. You know, seem pretty quality to me. So with all that said, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so right off the bat, I've already pulled out one light. One nice black 7-incher. You've got your mounting hardware, powder coated, I like that. Your directions. More mounting hardware. And the second light. So, I'll say they do package it well, you know. They go all out with styrofoam, which is good. You don't have to worry so much about having anything broken, having to send anything back, which is always frustrating. So, good packaging, good looking lights. You know, they've got some girth to them. One thing they don't have is the actual connectors. So you just have your wire and it's split. So you will need connectors in order to wire all this up. All right, let's slap these on real quick. Then we'll go test them out. So I am going to redo a little bit of wiring here while I'm at it. So I found another spot to run this wire. So currently I'm running my wire back like this behind that plastic flap, and I like it. It's fine. I have no issues with that. But ultimately, since I want to put lights up here, whenever I do install the lights up there, I want to use this channel to run the wiring down. So I'm going to want to go underneath this with that. There's not really room for 2 sets of wires there. So, but right tucked into this, like right in the corner here, there's an opening right down in there. So I'm going to move the wire down. Wish I could figure out how to point to it. Right down in here, there's just a little flap that opens up. So I'm going to reroute that so that it's prepared for, you know, so it's ready for later on whenever I do finally put lights up there. So I'm gonna pop this back off, run that wire along the seam of this, see what that looks like. So here you'll kind of be able to see, I think, the flap I'm talking about. So when you've got this rubber piece here taken off, there's one clip down here. See that little, right in there. Can't get it in there. But anyways, there's a little flap right here where I think I can run the wires, and I think it'll be pretty clean. All right, we got our light, we got our hardware. So, pretty simple setup, looks like. Gonna put that through there. Okay. So, we'll start with putting that on there. We'll throw this on here. Nice little bracket. Ooh. So, man, those things are big. Man, those are big. All right, that's how you install those. Minus the wiring, which we'll get to. Yeah, those are big. I think they'll look good down here. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep them up there or not, but I'll finish the install. I'll run them for a little bit and see if I like them. If I like them up there or not. I mean, no matter what, I'm gonna like them down here. So this is a test just to see if I like the big lights up there or not. So let me get the other one on. We'll get the wiring and go from there. All right, so got them both put on, got them wired up. Like I say, wiring was pretty simple. I didn't video any of that because it's the same as the Nylite 4-inch pods that I already had on there. So I already had the whole wiring harness set, everything in place. I just needed to connect the lights. So it wasn't a big deal. Didn't think it was worth videoing. But here, let's look at the final product here. So these are 7-inch pod lights, like I said, and they're 7 inches. You know, they're big. I'll have to get it out of the shop to see if I, like the location of it or not. Oh, with the wiring, yes, I did go ahead and run, like I was talking about. Oop. Let's see how. Like I was talking about, I did change the location of where that wire goes in. So, like I say, that's just an open flap there. I wish you could tuck this in a little bit better. Once again, that's another thing. I'm just gonna see if I like it there or if I want to change it. But it's pretty clean overall. Like you can see the wire, but mainly that's because there's a tag on it. So very, very nice. All right, so the install's done. So the last thing we got to do is wait till dark, and we'll take these bad boys out and light them up. Actually, I should show you that they actually work. So there they are, nice and bright. Woo! So yeah, I hope that video was helpful for you. I hope this gives you a better idea of these lights. You know what they look like, how they look mounted, and you know the brightness of them. So with that, I promised you a little bit of an update, a little bit of a giveaway tease, I guess. So update wise, so I just want to give you some upcoming videos that you should be expecting. One will be the giveaway video. That should be the next one popping up. The DIY project that I'm getting on here right away. 3, the Mohawk off-road fab hood mount and light install down there. And 4, we've got a overnighter planned, so that should be coming up. So those 4 videos should be popping up fairly quickly. So with the giveaway, so I've got 2 items that I'm giving away. So one of the items is going to be a set of these 7-inch pod lights. So if you're interested in these, if you like them, that's going to be one of the giveaway items. And the second item is going to be a camping cooler. So I'm pretty interested to see this. I haven't received it just yet. That's why I don't have the video up and going yet on the giveaway. I'm supposed to be getting it in tomorrow. I'll do a quick video on the camping cooler as well as the giveaway. So if you're interested in either of those 2 items, then hey, go ahead and subscribe. That's one thing you could do, but also hit that bell and it'll notify you whenever those videos pop up. All right, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button. All right, see you in the next one. All right, boy, these lights are not great. Let's try out the real lights here. Boom. Now you can see everything.
Yeah, they go really far.